Welcome to the Maybach Mercedes GLS 600. What's going on, luxury car lovers? Welcome back. I've got something truly special today gracing our presence. The epitome of SUV extravagance, in my opinion, a 2023 Maybach Mercedes GLS 600. This thing is basically a first-class lounge on wheels. You don't really buy this car to drive it around. You purchase this car to get chauffeured in it. Even at a glance, the DNA is unmistakable. You know it has the signature Maybach grille with the vertical chrome slats. The sheer size of this vehicle is impressive, but it carries the bulk with grace. Part of that is from being on airbags. It has retractable running boards, which are a welcoming touch when you turn the car on or open the door. There's individual climate controls you would expect. Heated and ventilated seats. Here in South Florida, the AC ventilated seats are a nice touch. Let's talk about how this land yacht drives. Under the hood, there's a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with mild hybrid technology. There's various driving modes, of course, but honestly, the Maybach GLS 600 is at its best.
And despite having a massive amount of heft to it, it gets moving.
When you're just cruising in comfort mode, enjoying the ambiance. The steering is light and precise, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver for its size, other than that you do want to be mindful of the corners. The tires stick out a lot when you're negotiating a parking lot. Now, beyond the sheer luxury, the GLS 600 is packed with tech like standard Mercedes-Benz safety features. I always love how they have the seat controls up on the door. There's driver assist, lane assist, connectivity options. While outright practicality might not be the primary concern for Maybach buyers, it's still worth noting that the 600 offers a pretty decent amount of cargo space. So if you were taking your kids to hockey in this, it's certainly capable of handling that, or multiple luggage to the airport. So who is this for? It's for people that demand the best in terms of luxury and comfort. It may be for whatever reason they didn't like that the Range Rover had poor reliability ratings, or the hefty price tag on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is sort of a middle ground, and you're getting a premium on a standard Mercedes GLS 600. Now, do I think this is a better value than the Mercedes SUV? I do not. I actually think that I would just purchase that or BMW X7 instead of this. What do you think? Put it in the comments.